What up YouTube, it's OC the Boss back with you for another video, and I am with Luca, and we are using Luca's microwave, which is like a nuke, as he says himself. And it's fuzzy. We are going to be putting cookies and other treats in the microwave, mixing them together, doing all sorts of different experiments, and sharing them with you guys.
Basically making other candies with candies.
Yeah, because once when we did this, we melted a Jolly Rancher, and it hardened on a spoon and became the shape of a spoon.
We melted the Jolly Rancher and the chocolate Easter eggs.
Yeah.
We're like a year old. A year or two old. Most of the stuff in here, except for the cookies, are like really old. Like from Halloween.
So,
and some from Christmas.
Okay, so let's get started. We're starting with the cookies. And we're going to put them in the microwave.
We know what happens, but we're not going to tell you guys.
We're not going to tell you what happens with the cookies.
Okay, so where the paper plate?
Paper plates? Now? We need a paper plate. Either that or should we get a napkin?
Yeah, let's get a napkin.
Grab that napkin.
Because this isn't messy at all. But still, don't try it at home unless you like put it in for an hour. Because with normal microwaves, this would take like an hour. But it only takes 47 seconds.
Get the cookie. Get the cookie.
I'm holding the camera and holding my own cookie, Luca. You get the cookie. Okay, see, here is the microwave.
Okay.
Let's open it up. Now, 47 seconds, okay?
Now, this is awesome. So just leave the camera here. Only need that.
Okay. This is the fun part. Because we did this before.
It's starting to smoke off a little bit. It's supposed to do that. Don't worry. Don't worry, the fire alarm's not plugged in. And this
is that really a good thing?
This is with parental approval. And it's kind of charred. Yum.
If we're gonna eat these, maybe we should wait for them to cool off.
We were so eating these. It looks like a burger. It looks like a burger. It looks like
I call
you
this
put it
one
on the grill.
I call this one.
Ow, ow, ow. It hurts. Look at the paper. Ah. Dude, this actually might fall from the paper towel. Just give me like 3 more paper towels real quick.
The paper towels are right here.
Okay. And we'll be back to you when this cools off.
What up, YouTube? We are back, and sorry, I got a little carried away. Started eating it.
Half. I was still cooling down mine. It's grilled. The chocolate looks like. I'm scared. It's good. It's like a burger.
It's really good. I mean, it doesn't taste like a burger.
Mine does.
It's a cookie.
Yeah, it kind of tastes like a burger. It's grilled so good. It's a burger. Next candy. So how about let's melt one of these and one of these starters. A review on the cookie, I'd give it a 3 out of 5.
I'd give it 2 out of 5.
Yeah, because it's not really that good. Mine
okay.
was kind of good. Okay.
Wait, no, I get red. Red.
Hey, orange. It's my favorite color.
Well, it works out for both of us, okay? We have a ceramic bowl that we're gonna put in here. No, I think these would melt pretty fast.
It's still hot.
I think these are gonna melt pretty fast, so let's do it for 30 seconds.
20. Just to be safe. And then an extra 10 if we need it. Oh, that was only 20 seconds? Let's see what's up.
Mine is completely gooped over. Yours barely melted.
Okay, so OC's going to eat his because mine is barely melted.
So first, I'm gonna eat mine. So here we do. Hey, Luca. No. This is mine.
Then eat it. Just eat it, bro.
Okay.
Is it good? Okay, now take this. I'm gonna heat mine up for some more time.
How about 10 seconds?
How about like 36?
36, bro. That's too much. It's already. I got salt. 10 seconds should be good.
15 is good to me. No. Lollipop, what did I do?
Oh God.
Mine's not actually that bad. It just looks like an orange blob.
Looks like someone threw that up.
Not really.
That looks like puke. That
Looks
looks like.
delicious.
Wait, let's show Mia this. Let's show Mia this. Mia, look at this.
It doesn't look that bad.
It looks like puke.
No, it doesn't.
It looks like puke.
Just because it's orange.
But still, it looks like
supposed to be?
That is a chocolate coin and
Oh, see.
that is a Starburst melted
Oh,
over a
see.
chocolate coin.
How about Golden Starburst? How about that? Golden Starburst Delight.
That's what we call this.
Yep. Golden Starburst.
How about this? How about Choco Starburst? Choco Burst. We call these Choco Bursts. Okay.
Oh, I just ran. Mine's probably better than yours.
How do you know? You haven't tried mine.
Okay.
Mine's hardened by now. It's probably better right now because mine is hardened.
Into my teeth.
How do you like it? Out of 5, what did you give it?
5.
I give this one a 4 out of 5. I think there's
Come
something
on.
we could do better.
Come on, don't be a slimy cow. 5 out of 5.
Okay, you can give it a 5 out of 5, but I think we could do better. We're gonna do one more.
But we don't have any candy.
Well, we'll take a look at what we can do. Because this is going to be our last one, and we have to make it the most awesome and amazing delight of everness.
The first one was practically just a biscuit.
Okay, so we'll be back with you once we have our amazing concoction ready to microwave.
Seriously though, we're doing something weird. Mixing cereal with chocolate and food coloring.
Yes, look. Here is Luca, where's yours?
It's over here.
Here is Luca's. Luca's will be going first. His is a combination of Rice Krispies, corn pops, chocolate, and food coloring, including the colors yellow, red.
It's orange. It's not
Okay,
yellow.
orange, red,
Green and blue. Okay.
and blue.
But it just looks like a blob. Okay.
So let's microwave it and see what happens. 30 seconds. It's done.
No, it looks so tasty. That's hot. Seriously, man, it feels heat. Wait.
So you're blowing your food away.
Don't you see how hot that is?
Ah. Yeah, the red indicates it. Actually, the red indicates the food coloring, but whatever.
Okay. So now it's almost basically warm. I'm gonna cool this off.
And I'm going to do mine. And start. So it's over. I think 10 more seconds.
This is why I don't understand which works better.
10 more seconds and it should be good.
I wanna eat.
No, I think I should take some paper towels before I lift it out.
Yeah, because
It's probably gonna be hot as a mug. Probably gonna be hot as a mug.
It's gonna be as hot as a cucumber.
Isn't the phrase cool as a cucumber? That makes no sense. That contradicts the phrase. You purposefully did that.
It's as hot as a cucumber.
Cucumbers are usually cool. That's why there's a phrase, cool as a cucumber, okay?
Okay. The Rice Krispies looks burnt. The Rice Krispies look burnt. Let's get everything in this one plate. Ah, it went on my leg.
How is it? What do you give it?
10 out of 10, 5 stars.
Can't wait to try it.
It's like a crunchy, smooth chocolate. Kind of tastes like a Hershey's.
Okay, record mine. Don't be scared to get up close and personal with the food. I'm gonna get this piece with the bread.
And boots with. Gonna get.
All that nice.
This is delicious.
Goodness. I blew a Cheerio off of it.
Wait, you added Cheerios?
Yeah.
I didn't get any Cheerios.
Why didn't you add the Cheerios?
Because I was pretty sure we were out. It's good. Is yours good? It's like a crunchy Hershey's, right? What should we call it though?
What? It's kind of like a... It's kind of like a s'more heavily chocolate. It tastes like a heavily chocolate s'more.
Kind of tastes like a Hershey's bar to me.
Hershey s'more. Hershey s'more. That's the name. The Hershey. Combining what both of us make. Good job. So let's just enjoy our food now.
That's so good.
After we finish our food and clean our plates, we'll be back with you for the end.
Remember the...
Okay, YouTube, hope you enjoyed this video.